Simple chocolate cake recipe for kids. Ingredients: 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of butter, softened, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of milk, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a quarter cup of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Ask an adult to help you with this part. Lightly grease a baking pan with a little butter or cooking spray. Mix the sugar and butter in a large bowl. Use a spoon, whisk, or electric mixer to blend them until the mixture looks smooth and creamy. Crack the eggs into a separate bowl, one at a time. Then, add the eggs to the sugar and butter mixture. Stir well until everything is fully mixed. Add the vanilla extract and stir again. In another bowl, combine the dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Use a spoon to mix them together. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the sugar, butter, and egg mixture. Do this a little at a time. Add a bit of the dry mix, then pour in some milk, stir, and keep repeating until all the dry ingredients and milk are mixed in. The batter should be smooth. Pour the batter into the greased baking pan. Use a spoon or a spatula to spread it evenly in the pan. Bake the cake in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. To check if it's ready, carefully insert a toothpick into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, the cake is done. Let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. After that, ask an adult to help you remove the cake from the pan and place it on a wire rack to cool completely. Now your simple chocolate cake is ready to enjoy. You can eat it plain or add some frosting if you like. Have fun baking!